Ukraine arrested 2 people working for Russian intelligence services who planned to kill Ukraine's defense minister and the head of its military intelligence agency, Ukraine's Domestic Security Service, the SBU, said on Monday. The Security Service of Ukraine foiled the plot by the Russian GRU military intelligence agency to use a sabotage group to carry out 3 murders, including that of a prominent Ukrainian activist, the agency said in a statement. The suspects, one a resident of the eastern Luhansk region held by Russia-backed separatists, and the other a resident of Ukraine's capital Kyiv, were promised up to $150,000 by Russian handlers for the murder of each of their targets, the SBU said. Russian mercenaries from the Wagner Group have traveled to Ukraine on a mission to assassinate Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky, intelligence reports say. Defense Ministry intelligence agencies said Russian President Vladimir Putin had personally ordered another attack by one of his proxies, referring to the Wagner Group. All previous attempts ended in the failure and elimination of Wagner mercenaries at the hands of Ukrainian troops, the report added. Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal and Presidential Chief of Staff Andriy Yermak were among the other alleged assassination targets. The Kremlin has long denied ties to the Wagner Group, a 600-strong group of mercenaries deployed worldwide to carry out Moscow's dirty work. The force is reported to be Putin's personal assassination squad, but they are far enough away from the Kremlin to afford the Russian president a plausible denial. It is the latest in more than a dozen attempts by both the Wagner Group and Chechen special forces to kill the Ukrainian president since Russian forces launched a ferocious invasion of Ukraine on February 24. Zelensky had survived 3 attempts on his life in early March by mercenaries from the Kremlin-backed Wagner Group and Chechen special forces. The killers were foiled by subversive anti-war members within the Russian Federal Security Service, the Russian successor to the KGB, who alerted Ukrainian officials. Ukraine's Minister of National Security and Defense confirmed the 3 assassination attempts and told the local press that he had received information from the double agents who do not want to participate in this bloody war. Intelligence reports claim that groups of the highly trained Wagner fighters waited in the wings for a green light from the Kremlin to enter Ukraine. Agents were reportedly given a kill list of 24 people, including Ukraine's prime minister, the entire cabinet, Kiev Mayor Vitaly Klitschko and his brother Vladimir, both boxing champions who have become iconic figures on the capital's front lines. The attack was sabotaged after plans reached the higher echelons of the Ukrainian government on March 5, forcing Kiev to declare a 36-hour harsh curfew and order everyone inside so soldiers could sweep the streets for Russian saboteurs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.